the students of class 11th of physical education, unit 10, training and doping in sports. In this unit, today we will focus on the topic sports training concept or sports training program, part 2. Now we have to see what is the sports training program. This program has divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is the preparatory part, number 2 is the competition part, and number 3 is the transitional part. The preparatory part, mostly in this period the player achieve the physical fitness and skill efficiency for the competition. So it is called the preparatory part, and on the behalf of this preparatory part, it has furtherly divided into 3 parts in which the sports person has learned the initial things. As in part 1, in this phase of training, the player develops the general abilities related to physical fitness like strength and endurance, along with basic skills which is related to the games or sports activity. It is perfected for about 4 to 6 month practice in an annually planned training method. So it has come in the first part of the preparation. Second part, or we can say the preparatory part second, in this part, the training part, the player develops the specific physical fitness or abilities like speed, flexibility, coordination, etc. And these things are related to the particular game or sports activities for which the player is the prepare himself or herself for their competition also. Player learns a mastery over advanced skills and techniques related to the games or particular games or specific games or activities, and it is done for about 2 months of practice. Next part has come, the preparatory part third. In that part, the player develop the tactics and strategies and try to achieve every perfection for the competition. So it is called the preparatory part of the sports training. Now we will discuss next part in the next video also. Thank you.